This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 74 of Building Knight Rider, the Kitt car. Kitt. It's a kit of a kit. It's Kitt. Buyout, episode 15 of season 3. Yeah, the final few episodes of season 3. Demonstration of an armoured limousine, a terrible accident. Okay. Don't remember what that's got to do with Kitt, but it's all flag stuff, isn't it? So, yeah. Not riding on this one. I always look good, says Kitt. He does. He always looks very, very good. Can you override the guidance system? There's not enough time. Oh, no. What's going to happen? Is it all going to work out okay? Yes, of course it's all going to work out okay. Knight Rider. In this issue, we are supplied with the motor bay frame. We're not using it, or the two little cable fasteners that we get, because reasons. What we are going to be doing is taking the other switch off, fitting that to the chassis, and then fitting the other door. So we've got the chassis with 2 doors fitted to it. And looking at the map locator, he's got a map, obviously. He drives himself, he's got to have a map, he's got to have GPS and stuff, hasn't he? He knows all the stuff. So, let's clear this out of the way, and we'll get... So, supplied in this issue, we have large metal part, the body, the front frame, which is going to go on the front of that bit. About there, isn't it? Make it the engine bay compartment, and 2 guides for wires to be located in place. But we're not using any of those yet. So I shall move that out of the way. What we will be using is that, and the other door, the new door that we fitted, or not fitted yet, but we're going to. But first of all, the news, the update, the error that I made, but it wasn't. It was my fault. It was their fault as well. They didn't make it very clear. The wire that I have fitted over here was the wrong one. It needed to be the short one, not the long one. With nothing to go by, I just went by the one that I came to first, basically. So this needs to be fitted to the other side, which is what we're going to do now, exactly the same way that we did with the other one. It fits in the little bracket, like so. It fits from the outside in the little gap, just like the last one did. Actually easier if you put the switch in first. Then the bracket goes over the top of it. And we have an 8M screw to hold that in place. Now I'm fairly certain that this is not external because it's got panel bits on there. This bit probably isn't either because again it's got some bits on there. So I'm not too worried about fingerprints and stuff on there as yet. Although I'm pretty sure that this bit is going to be an external piece. Purely because nothing else is going to fit there, is it? So that should go in there. And it's held in place with that single screw. Ready for that switch to be activated when the door is opened or closed, depending on which way you want to look at it. So that's going on there like so. And then we've got the 2 RM screws, I believe, which are going to be holding the door in place exactly the same way on this side that it did on the other. So that's going in there. Hopefully that will sit there while I get the first screw in place. Let's get it on the screwdriver. There we go. So that's going to go on there. A bit like that. Not actually quite like that at all. More like that. Actually, these fit from the inside. I should be corrected. The doors don't hold shut yet because there's nothing for them to shut against. But that will go through there. If the screw is in the right place, it is. That goes through there into the bottom of those 2 holes. And this one goes through the top. So there's going to be some sort of internal trim or something, because there's a big gap around the inside at the moment, which you can't actually see. You can if I do that, because there's obviously something internal going to be on the inside of the bodywork. And hopefully that will again endeavour to disguise the slight mix-up of the parts there. But so far, that is that. So that now, I like the way it works. We've got the roof. It's all starting to come together and look a lot more like Kitt. So I'll get that all tightened up. But I'm sure that that is all fine. We will probably next time be attaching the engine thing. I can't attach this yet because we've got the internals of this to do. So it's going to be fun stuff, but not yet. That's the end of this month's delivery. So stick around for more part works and come back later for more Kitt. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.